My name is Linda Nollett. I'm a mom of 3 and an Ironman distance triathlete. And I was racing in a race 4 months ago, and I tripped about a half a mile from the finish line and fell hard on my shoulder, and I broke my humerus off and broke it in 3 spots once I broke it off, and got carried out by the firefighters on the backboard, and did an ambulance trip to a hospital in Auburn, and then made my way home. And about 36 hours after the accident, I met with Dr. Cohen, and he operated on my shoulder. I didn't even know I had the zip line closure on my shoulder until I went in for the appointment to have it removed. And I'd called the office that morning to tell them that they were going to have to give me something to calm me down because I'm a wimp, and I was very worried about having stitches or staples taken out. And they reassured me on the phone, and I didn't quite believe them. I brought my husband with me, and I went in there, and they took the bandages off, and I was stunned. I made him stop so I could take a picture of it because I've never seen anything like it. And I turned to put my phone down, and the PA, took it off. And I said, "So when are you going to take it off?" And he says, "It's done. You're done." And I was stunned. I didn't feel anything. It didn't hurt at all. It was the single best point of the recovery. In addition to being a mom of 3 and an Ironman, I also have rheumatoid arthritis, and I've had it. I was diagnosed with it 8 years ago, and one of the things that I have to be very careful of is the risk of infection. I'm on immunosuppressant drugs, and they're kind of big guns, and I have to be very careful. And when I saw my rheumatologist not long after the surgery, she pointed out that using the zip line probably really helped because it wasn't more points of entry. There weren't the needle marks, the holes where there would be for stitches or for staples. So less points of entry for infection. She thought it was a great idea. And I had no infections. If I had a friend, or more likely in my very active family, a family member who was going to have surgery, this would be a no-brainer. The zip line was the best way to go, and I'm going to be bringing it to all of my doctors because odds are pretty good I'll be hurt again sometime. So yeah, no, I would recommend without any reservation, zip line.